Alright, here we are with the Blackberry Pearl 8130 on the Sprint network. As you can see right off the bat, we're using this phone in the burgundy or red color. Blackberry made this phone in two different colors for Sprint. We have the option of the red that you're seeing now, as well as an amethyst, which is kind of a grayish purple color. Diving right into the phone, we'll take a look at the casing. We'll start on the left hand side of the phone. And as we can see, starting left to right, that we have this 3.5mm headset jack. You can use the headset that comes with the phone, as well as any standard headphone that you would use for any MP3 or CD player. Right next to that, we have the mini USB charging and data port, followed by the cover for the micro SD card slot. This is easy access, allowing us to swap out to any other micro SD card on the fly without having to power cycle the phone. To the right of that, we have a convenience key. Blackberry has this set up out of the box to go right into their voice dial program. This can be changed in the systems menu to be any of the applications that you equip on the phone. We'll rotate this over to the right hand side of the phone, where on the bottom we have our tethering options. So if you like using the wrist strap or any other protection, you can loop it through here. And then we have another convenience key. Blackberry has this one set up to be the camera. Again, it's changeable in the systems menu to anything that you'd like. On the top of the phone, we have our volume rocker for volume up and down during your phone calls. Again, rotating to the top of the phone, we have another dedicated button. We have the button for the mute. During a phone call, this mutes the microphone, and if you press and hold it while you're in the regular menus, it puts the phone into standby. We'll rotate the phone to the back, where we see that we have a camera on the top. This is a 2.0 megapixel camera with the equipped LED flash. Between the two, we have the self-portrait mirror, allowing you to take pictures of yourself and friends. If we release this back cover by pushing the bottom button here, we can slide the cover up, and we can find that we have the battery as well as the speakerphone. The battery is a 900 milliamp hour battery. It's rated at 3.7 hours of talk time and 9 hours of standby time. From personal use, we found this phone to probably be underrated, as we've gotten on average more talk time than that, and we've been using it heavily for text messaging and internet use. We'll slide this cover back on and flip back to the front. As we can see, that this is a standard candy bar style phone without any flip options. We have the traditional Blackberry navigation that they've switched to with the talk and end button on the outside, the Blackberry symbol, which works as a menu option, and then the back button. In the center, we have this attractively designed trackball, and if we go into the full menu, we can navigate through without any delay, just like we would with a trackball style mouse. Pushing in the trackball, we go into any of the menus, and it works as a click. We can see that instead of having the traditional 10-key layout with the number pad, we have actually a 20-key. This is a modified keyboard that Blackberry calls SureType. It's probably hard to see in the video, but each of these keys has two different letters on it in the QWERTY layout. So on the far left, we have the button that's QW, followed by ER, followed by TY, so on and so forth. This allows for quicker text messaging and writing emails, as it uses a hybrid predictive text. Compared to both T9 and a traditional QWERTY keyboard, we found this to be almost faster to write text messages and emails. Moving up to the screen, we can see that this is a very clean, very clear screen. It's a 240 by 260 LCD screen. Very easy to use, looks great with the videos. Overall, we found this phone to be a very good phone. A lot of nice features, like the ability to do streaming video from YouTube and other similar sites. The only downfall that we've discovered with this phone is if you're a big text messenger or email person. The internal memory is only 64 megabytes, which provides a little bit of a problem when you're receiving the mass messages. Once that memory becomes full, it purges all of its text and call logs to free up more space. This problem is easily solved by just adding a micro SD card to the slot that we saw on the side. The phone has great reception, very clear speakerphone, very easy to listen to, nice and small to fit in your pocket, and I think that you'd be very happy with it. Enjoy.